Hello everyone, today in this video I will be showing you guys how you can deny YouTube from using your photos application on your iPhone. So for that you need to go to your settings, and after coming to this screen you just need to swipe down until you find the option called privacy and security. After finding the option, just tap here once, and in this huge number of application, just tap this photo. All right, after you tap the photo, go down and find YouTube. As you can see YouTube, tap here once. So as you can see, I have given YouTube limited access to my photo application. So just if you want to not give any access, just tap here once and the game is over. YouTube now won't be able to access your photos from your